Hi and welcome to Roos Kitchen and Garden. We are making Akkha masoor dal today. First here I've taken 1 cup of Akkha masoor, which is whole masoor. I'm gonna nicely wash it 2-3 times and then pressure cook it for 4 whistles, or as per your pressure cooker takes time. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of dry coconut, and nicely roast it and grind it together into a coarse paste. Then you have to take one pot in which you want to make the dal. Put oil. I have put around 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add 1 whole onion, ginger garlic paste, and then I'm going to fry it nicely till the smell goes, and then add the coarse powder. Then you can add your 1 tomato, 1 whole tomato, and then fry it nicely till oil oozes. Here I have turmeric, I have 1 tablespoon coriander powder, I have half tablespoon cumin powder, I have 1 tablespoon of chili powder and half tablespoon of kolhapuri masala. You please reduce the spices as per your taste, and salt also as per your taste. Add everything to the nicely fried masala, and then add some coriander leaves for taste. Open your pressure cooker when the pressure is gone. See whether your masoor dal is cooked or not nicely, and try to mash it and then add it to your masala. Now give it a nice mix. Add some hot water to make the consistency of the curry as thin or as thick as you want. Finally, garnish it with some coriander leaves, and here your dal is ready. Hope you love this recipe. Thank you. Bye.